Hi everyone, so this is a love reading for those of you whose names begin with the letter K. Alright, this is group 1. Please choose your group, deck, pile, whatever you like to call it. This is group 1, pile 1, deck 1. And go to your group, pile, deck and check your reading. Alright, I'll try to upload it all in one video itself. And this is group 2. Alright, so for those of you who chose group number 1 and whose names begin with the letter K, Masters of the universe, angels, please tell us what is the message for their love life, what can they expect in their love life for the next 7 days. All right, I'm getting an energy of greed here. Be wary of those people who can approach you with very affectionate and warm words, but they won't be genuine. This is what I can pick up on while shuffling. Now let us see what is there on the cards for you guys. Yes, we have the high priestess. I just told you that I can pick up upon an energy of greed, and I was also getting some characterless kind of vibes from this person, whosoever energy this is coming up here for the in the reading. So this is a devilish energy, and this person who is watching this video is a divine masculine and a divine feminine. They are very intuitive. So this reading is, do not just fall into their trap all of a being impulsive. Don't just come to a conclusion that yes, they are your better half. All right, just go out, spend some time with them, try to understand them, don't get emotional, and just be neutral, and just try to analyze what are the things going on in their mind and why are they approaching you. All right, for some of you this could be a thing. For the others of you, we have an energy of temperance here. Now this temperance here suggests to me that some of you have either parted ways recently, they have gone through a breakup, and they just want to remain single as of now because some kind of heartache, some kind of emotional baggage is there, and they want to heal themselves. So that is the correct thing what they are thinking about right now. The guidance is also the same. Please heal yourself, and if you heal yourself, then what you're going to attract next into your life would be a soulmate or a twin flame. That would be like Shiv Shakti energy. All right, I mean, if you are the masculine, she'll be your divine feminine, and if you are the feminine, then she'll be your divine masculine. I mean, you take it vice versa. If this is a male, then she'll be your female, who will be like this, and vice versa. Okay guys, so this is the reading for those of you who chose group number 1. Okay, now let's quickly check for those of you who chose this deck. And also I'm getting an energy of ego, so please avoid any ego issues. Group number 1. All right, now let's quickly check for group number 2, and who chose this deck and whose names begin with the letter K. What is there on the cards for them? All right, these just jumped out of the deck. Masters of the universe were just very they were just very much inclined, and they wanted to talk to you guys. So the cards that we have here is, I was not ready to take up these many, but I'll just take a few. Again, I'm getting an energy of ego for this group as well. I don't know why so much of ego is there in people these days. Please avoid that. Be more loving, affectionate, warm and kind towards your person. All right, if you talk to them, it's just about small things that are going to make them happy. So please take care of their emotional needs, about small things of daily routine that can make them happy. And some of you have a very abundant family life. I can see you guys have manifested a very good love life after a long period of wait, or if your waiting period is still going on, please do not give up, because it is just about the corner, and you won't be able to see it, and it would just come up into your lives like a magic. You have the Knight of Wands here. They could also be somebody else would be inclined towards you. Knight of Wands, King of Wands, and they'll try to break your relationship. They'll try to attract you, put you into certain situations that might be very confusing for you, give you some kind of greed at your workplace, or they can just tell you that, just be with me and I'll marry you and all those things. So please avoid those things. Be loyal to your partner, because there is a probability that God is going to test you through someone else as well, and if you fail in that test, then there'll be justice coming up and you guys can part ways from your current partners. Okay, and if you pass the test, then certainly there is a lot of abundance that is going to come up in your life, and your partners are going to take care of every little thing that can make you emotionally happy. Okay, so this is the reading for those of you who chose group number 2. Okay.